Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you ever feel like your mind's tired, foggy, unfocused, or moody? Your brain might be running on low power, but you can reset it naturally with food. Stay till the end to discover the #1 brain food that restores focus faster than any supplement. The next 10 minutes can change how your brain feels, starting today. Let's reset your brain, one meal at a time. The brain uses about 25% of your body's energy. Poor nutrition means poor mental performance. It's an energy powerhouse, even while you sleep. Stable fuel matters. Whole foods provide a slow, steady stream of glucose your brain thrives on. Highly processed foods drive inflammation that can impair memory, focus, and mood. Your gut and brain are in constant conversation. What you eat shapes the chemicals that steer mood and cognition. A fiber-rich diet nurtures your microbiome, supporting neurotransmitters like serotonin. Surprising fact, about 95% of your body's serotonin is made in the gut. Choose anti-inflammatory, fiber-rich foods, and your brain can feel clearer and steadier. This is the foundation of a brain reset, built in your kitchen. Up next, the nutrients that rebuild your brain, and where to find them. We're getting specific so you can act today. Omega-3s, especially DHA, are core building blocks of brain cells, vital for learning and memory. Get them from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Plant options include walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Antioxidants protect neurons from oxidative stress, a driver of brain aging. Think blueberries, leafy greens, and beets. Eat the rainbow for broad protection. Anthocyanins from berries can reach brain regions tied to memory and signaling. B6, folate, and B12 power energy metabolism, DNA repair, and neurotransmitter synthesis. Sources include leafy greens, legumes, eggs, and lean meats. They help reduce homocysteine, linked to cognitive decline when elevated. Choline makes acetylcholine, essential for memory and muscle control. Eggs, liver, and soybeans are rich sources. Fiber nourishes gut bacteria that produce compounds supporting brain function and lower inflammation. Whole, colorful foods correlate with better memory and mood than ultra-processed patterns. Combine omega-3s, antioxidants, B vitamins, choline, and fiber to rebuild and protect. Your grocery list is your brain care plan. Breakfast. Oatmeal topped with blueberries, chia seeds, and walnuts for steady energy and antioxidants. Replace sugary cereal with this nutrient-dense bowl. Lunch. A colorful salad with dark leafy greens, bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots. Add grilled salmon or chickpeas and dress with extra virgin olive oil and lemon. More brain-protective nutrients, less afternoon slump. Snack. Green tea with a square of dark chocolate for gentle alertness and antioxidants. Or try apple with almond butter, or a handful of nuts. Dinner. Lentil soup loaded with carrots, celery, and tomatoes, plus a side of steamed broccoli with olive oil. Easy to digest, supports gut health and overnight brain repair. Make small swaps. Replace chips with nuts. Add a handful of greens daily. Choose water or tea over soda. This one-day plan fuels focus, lifts mood, and stabilizes energy. Start simple. Stay consistent, and give your brain the fuel it deserves. Great brain days start with great sleep. Target 7 to 9 hours. Exercise boosts BDNF, the fertilizer for your neurons, helping them grow and connect. Hydrate steadily and manage stress with mindfulness, breathing, and time in nature. Walk daily, get sunlight, and try a digital detox before bed. If this is helping you, keep watching. In a minute, I'll reveal the one forgotten nutrient your brain needs every day. And if you're finding this useful, hit like so more people can discover it. Brain reset equals full body reset, food, sleep, movement, hydration, and calm. Ready for final tips? Let's lock this in. No single food is a magic fix. It's the pattern that matters. Emphasize balance and personalization to your preferences and needs. The forgotten nutrient? Omega-3s. Most people don't get enough. Your brain needs them daily. Aim for fatty fish or plant-based sources like walnuts, chia, and flax. Secret tip: start every day with water and a handful of walnuts. Tiny habit, huge brain benefit. Hydration plus healthy fats steadies blood sugar and primes your brain. Progress over perfection. One better choice at a time. Your brain thrives on omega-3s, antioxidants, and mindful eating. Reset your brain this week, one meal at a time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below if you'd like me to make a 7-day brain reset plan.